Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use integrations in FreshBooks. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? First, launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to use integrations in FreshBooks. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to head over to the left navigation panel of this screen. We have a couple of features which include dashboard, client estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, reports, apps, team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. Now, I'd like you to click on apps. And that's going to take you right into the apps window where you can see a couple or wide array of integrations. Now, you have a couple of apps available here. You have the income importer, you have Zapier, you have Mailform, all the way down to DocuSend. And if you do not see any application over here, you can go ahead and click on Visit App Store, and you're going to see more applications. So let's say I want to integrate Gmail, my Gmail account, into my FreshBooks. I'm just going to have to click on Gmail. And once you click on that, it's going to take you right into the next window where you're going to see a couple of features that you can definitely follow through with, or a couple of prompts that you can follow through with to get Gmail integrated into FreshBooks. So over here you have this about Gmail, how Gmail works with FreshBooks, and how to connect it. So you have all of the steps that can show you how to connect it. So you have this Connect Now button. Now click on Connect Now. And once you click on Connect Now, it says FreshBooks invoicing over here. So you have this overview, permissions, and reviews. So the next thing that you would like to do is to click on this install button for you to install FreshBooks right here so that it can be integrated into your Gmail, all right, or it can be integrated into the Google Workspace Marketplace. All right, so that's pretty much the process. You can do that with every other application that is in here, and just go ahead and have fun with your integrations. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.